Hello. Hello. Apparently you want to know about hydrogen generators. So I'm going to show you what I've got, Ronan and your students. So I can't turn my camera, I'm going to have to turn my camera around and show you what's what. So basically, if you look down in here, it's very hard to see, but down there, tucked away down here. Let's have a look from here, shall we? Oh, we can't see it. There it is, under there. There is my hydrogen generator. Okay, it's got two pipes coming off of it. One feeds it, and one goes in and one goes out, basically. So those two pipes. So the two pipes come up here, and they come along here into the bubbler. So one feeds the bubbler that comes from the hydrogen generator, and one supplies the generator. So it's just basically going round in a loop down to the generator down there. So understand that? So the gas will bubble up here, bubble into this water, yeah, and then it will get separated from water and the gas, and then it will pressurize and it comes out here, and then that's got a tube that comes down inside, down to here. I think you might just be able to see that. It goes down to the bottom and it bubbles, and then this pipe, which should be just pure gas, 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen, comes down this pipe, flew through a flash arrestor. So if it does go bang, the explosion won't come back and blow all this lot up. Okay, spark arrestor, I think they're called, or something like that. So it goes through there and it comes down here, and then there's my intake. It comes into this pipe here, which goes into my air filter, and then it comes in with the air for the engine into the engine. See, inlet manifold. Does that make sense? Right, okay, so that's basically that. So then let's have a look. So on my dashboard, this doesn't work. I've got to get another one, but there's my voltmeter, amp meter, so that I can tell exactly what it's doing. And then this will control how many amps goes through to the generator. So I can turn it up and down and set it exactly how I want it, so that the generator doesn't overheat. And then basically I've got an arming switch which I need to put onto the ignition, because I don't want to blow the whole thing up when I go to a festival and forget that I've left it on, and then have a massive bomb which will probably happen to me, because things like that just seem to happen sometimes. Anyway, so let's turn it on and I can show you it producing its thing, but I'm not going to put it down into the engine. I'm going to take the pipe out. So I've got, this is the pipe that goes into the engine, produces the gas, and then, oh yeah, if you wanted to know what goes in the generator, it's deionized water or distilled water, and this stuff, which is potassium hydroxide, I think it's called, KOH, the chemical formula. It's 98% pure, chemical grade, crystals, and it feels really weird when you get it on your hands. In a water solution, it makes them go all slippery and odd, and you can't wash it off. Very weird sensation. Anyway, so what I've got here is a cup of water with a few bubbles in it, and here we've got washing up liquid. So what we do is we'll give that a lot of washing up liquid. Right, now let's turn it on. You'll see how quick, and sorry for the camera because I've got no one to help me at the moment. Right, so it's now on. And you can already see it's producing bubbles. It's that quick. And so we see if anything's coming out of the pipe. Hang on, move that along a bit. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that is now hydrogen, 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen. Okay, so I'm going to give it a little bit. Then I'm going to turn it off. And then I'm going to prove it to you. Let's get rid of that. Hang on. Right. I'm going to... Oh, God. This bit's going to be... Right. Oh, my God. Hang on. My lighter's not going to work now. I need a better lighter. Hang on a minute. I'm actually scared. Oh. It didn't work. It worked yesterday. Hang on. Maybe I've got to leave the generator going for a bit. Right, let's try that again. Okay. Oh, it's scary. Right, let's turn it back on. Let's get it going. Get it going properly. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Oh, that makes me quite scared. Right, let that go for a bit. Maybe I'll turn the amps up a bit. Oh yeah, no, it should be about right. It worked yesterday, so. Okay, so we try again. Oh my God. Right. They make weird shaped bubbles as well, look. They're not normal round bubbles, look, they're like hexagonal. Right, let me turn that off. This is gonna make me jump. Oh God. I'm really scared. Oh Jesus. And that concludes the experiment. Oh my God, my ears.